how to log in to Epic Games account. So if you want to log in to Epic Games account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'll be here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and then search for Epic Games. And then here you will have the first search, which is epicgames.com. And then here on the upper right side, you will have account info. Click on that. And here it will take you to the sign in or sign up page. So you have to enter your email address. And then after entering your email address, you can click on continue. Or if you don't want to log in with your email, you can log in with all of these options. So I'll be choosing email and click on continue. And then you have to enter your password. But if you have forgotten your password, then you can go for forgot your password and click on that. And then it will ask you for your email address, so that it will send you with some instructions on how to reset your password to your email. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password and then click on sign in. So that's it. That's how you sign in, or that's how you log into your Epic Games. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.